How to get a cork out of an empty wine bottle. Polish off a bottle of wine with friends and then impress them with this party trick. You will need a wine bottle with a cork inside and a plastic bag. Step 1. Roll up a plastic bag and push it into the bottle. Put the closed bottom part in first, keeping a few inches of the open top part of the bag sticking out from the neck of the bottle. Step 2. Move the cork up toward the bag by flipping the wine bottle upside down. You want the cork to rest at the entrance to the bottle's neck, with the bag extending beyond it into the bottle. Step 3. Blow into the plastic bag to inflate it. If you don't have a plastic bag, you can use a cloth napkin. Just feed it into the bottle, tip the bottle until the cork gets snagged in the napkin, and pull it out. Step 4. Twist the mouth of the plastic bag to partially seal it. Pull the bag out of the bottle, and the cork will come out with it. Did you know? Until the late 1600s, wine bottles in France were corked with oily rags.